Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Let's review what we have learned, okay? I will say the words, you listen, and you repeat after me, okay? Okay, let's start. Let's review the places in school, part 2, last week, okay? We have here computer room, conference room, English room, flagpole, kindergarten room, and we have the math room. So these are the words that we have learned last week. Let's answer these questions because we have learned it last week. Where are you going? Look at the picture. Okay, that's great. I'm going to the computer room. Number 2, where are you going? Okay, look at the picture. Excellent. That's I'm going to the conference room. Then where are you going? Okay, look at the picture. Excellent. That's I'm going to the English room. Okay. Now let's have more questions. Where are you going? So what is this? Very good. I'm going to the flagpole. Where are you going? Okay. Excellent. I'm going to the kindergarten room. And then the last, where are you going? Wonderful. I'm going to the math room. Okay. Now, today, we will learn about the following questions. Today, we will have a new lesson and we will be answering this question. Number 1 question is, where are you from? Okay, where are you from? So we will be answering this question. Number 2, what's the time, please? What's the time, please? So this is the second question that we will be answering today. And we have number 3, what time do you? And you will put the blanks here, okay? The information. Okay, now before we answer these questions, we need to learn some words first, okay? So let's learn these words. Number 1, you have the places, okay? You have the United Kingdom, the United Kingdom, the USA, Spain, China, Thailand. So these are countries, okay? Number 2, get up, get up. Have breakfast, have breakfast. Go to school, go to school. Go home, go home. Have dinner, have dinner. Go to bed, go to bed. Then we have number 3. This is about the time, okay? 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock. 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Okay. Let's now answer these questions. Where are you from? Where are you from? So you have number 1 question. This is number 1 question, okay? The answer could be, I am from the United Kingdom. I am from the United Kingdom. Another option is, I am from the USA. I am from the USA. And then another is, I am from Spain. I am from Spain. And then, I am from China. I am from China. How about you? What would what will be your answer? Okay, this is another one option. I am from India. I am from India. Oh, you have the last option here. I am from Thailand. So your answer should be, when someone will ask you, where are you from? What's your answer? I'm from Thailand. Very good. Okay. Now let's repeat, okay? This is number one question. Where are you from? I'm from the United Kingdom. I am from the USA. I am from Spain. I am from China. I am from India. And you, what's your answer? Very good. I am from Thailand. Okay, now let's answer the second question. What's the time, please? What's the time, please? So your answer will be, it is 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. Or you can also say, it is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. So you must just learn the number 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and you have here 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. Okay. Now let's repeat again. What's the time, please? It is 5 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. Okay. Now let's answer the third question. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? So the information that I've given you, you have the first one is get up. So what time do you get up? I get up at 5 o'clock. I get up at 5 o'clock. Next, what time do you have breakfast? So the second option here, or words that I've given you, is have breakfast. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 6 o'clock. I have breakfast at 6 o'clock. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 7 o'clock. Okay? I go to school at 7 o'clock. Now, let's repeat and you answer. Okay? What time do you get up? Very good. Okay, the next question is, what time do you have breakfast? Excellent. Okay, next. What time do you go to school? Very good. That's good answers. Okay, now let's continue on. Continuation, okay? What time do you go home? What time do you go home? I go home at 5 o'clock. I go home at 5 o'clock. What time do you have dinner? What time do you have dinner? I have dinner at 6 o'clock. I have dinner at 6 o'clock. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 7 o'clock. I go to bed at 7 o'clock. Okay, now it's your turn to answer, okay? Let's repeat this one and then you answer, okay? What time do you go home? Good answer. Okay, next question. What time do you have dinner? Very good. Last, what time do you go to bed? Excellent. Excellent answer. Okay, so thank you so much. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Goodbye.